Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical wood planers, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from, wood planers, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wood planers from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DEWALT Thickness Planer 13-inch, 15-amp with RPM motor. Introducing the DEWALT 13-inch thickness planer, a powerful woodworking tool designed for precise, smooth cuts on wider materials. Powered by a 15-inch AYMP motor with an impressive 200 RPM, this planer easily handles larger cuts. Its 3-knife cutter head increases blade life by 30% and simplifies blade changes, saving you time and effort. With a 2-speed gearbox, you can adjust the feed speed to achieve an optimized cut quality, either at 96 or 179 cuts per inch. This model also includes a fan-assisted chip ejection system that efficiently removes chips, keeping your workspace clear. Built with a robust 19x3 by 4-inch cast aluminum base, it provides twice the rigidity of standard bases, while folding tables add versatility. For added convenience, the automatic carriage lock minimizes snipe, and an extra-large thickness scale ensures accuracy in every pass. Ideal for both DIYers and professionals looking for quality results. Number 2. Craftsman Planer 15-amp 2-knife solid steel cutter head. Check out the Craftsman 15-amp planer, a powerful and efficient solution for woodworkers handling both hard and soft woods. This planer features a robust 15 AE-amp motor, providing ample power for removing material with precision and ease. Equipped with a Poly V cutter head drive, it allows maximum stock removal, making it perfect for heavy-duty woodworking projects. Designed for smooth, efficient performance, this planer includes a 2-knife, quick-change solid steel cutter head mounted on ball bearings, ensuring durability and stability. The high-carbon steel, double-edged, reversible knives are crafted for long cutting life, allowing for extended use before needing replacements. For a cleaner workspace, this planer is designed with a convenient vacuum port, allowing easy attachment to dust collection systems to keep your area free from debris. The Craftsman Planer is an excellent addition to any workshop, offering power, longevity, and cleaner operation for quality woodworking results. Number 3. Plone 2, 5, 2, 1, 5-amp 12.5-inch 2-blade benchtop thickness planer. Introducing the Plone 2, 5, 2, 1, 5A 12.5-inch benchtop thickness planer. Your go-to tool for revitalizing rough, worn wood with a smooth finish. This powerful planer is equipped with a 15 AM motor, delivering 200 cuts per minute at a feed rate of 12.5 inches wide. With a depth adjustment knob, you can set cuts from 0 to 1 by 8 inch, giving you full control over each pass. The planer features reversible 12.5-inch SK5 steel blades for extended use and precision. Plus, the 2-inch dust port keeps your workspace clean, while the height-adjustable in-feed and out-feed tables minimize snipe for a smooth workflow. Weighing just 55.6 pounds, it's easy to move around the shop, and the pre-drilled base holes allow secure mounting. For the perfect finishing touch on any project, the P1252 is a reliable choice, backed by dedicated customer support. Number 4. VEVOR Power Benchtop Planers 2-speed 13-inch width worktable. Discover the VEVOR Power Benchtop Planer, a powerful 2-speed planer built for precision and durability. With a widened 13-inch worktable, it handles boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide, ideal for heavy-duty woodworking projects. The machine's adjustable tables and 35-inch extension provide excellent support for longer boards, while its precision-machined cast-iron bed keeps wood flat and stable. This VVOR planer features a high-precision 3-knife cutter head made of solid steel, providing smooth and consistent cuts. The knives are quench-hardened to HRC 55 to 60, ensuring longevity and performance. Choose between two speed settings, 24 FPM for faster stock removal or 15 FPM for a finer, smoother finish. With its powerful 2,000-watt motor running at 2, 3, 5, 0, 0 RPM, this planer delivers a top-notch finish, protected by a 20 AP overcurrent safeguard. It also includes a dust collection port, keeping your workspace clean by ejecting chips and dust. The VEVO planer is a robust and reliable choice for any woodworking enthusiast. Number 5. TROPOW 1250 Watt Powerful Electric Benchtop Planer. Introducing the TROPOW 1250 Watt Electric Benchtop Planer, a versatile, high-power planer designed to handle both hardwood and softwood with ease. With a powerful 1250-watt motor and a no-load speed of 8,000 RPM, this planer delivers smooth, precise finishes on every pass, making it perfect for furniture making, carpentry, and DIY projects. The TROPOW planer offers adjustable cutting depths from 0 to 2 mm, accommodating a range of woodworking needs, while the spacious 740 into 210 mm worktable provides stability and minimizes vibration. Its 204 mm maximum cutting width allows for efficient processing of larger boards. This planer is also designed with low-dust technology, effectively capturing dust particles to keep your workspace cleaner and improve air quality. Easy-to-use controls and a comfortable grip make it a convenient choice for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Built for precision and durability, the TROPOW 1250-watt benchtop planer is an essential tool for achieving smooth, even wood surfaces on any project. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.